How to fix double Google Chrome icon on the taskbar in Windows 10. Here's some tips that may help you fix double Google Chrome icon on the taskbar in Windows 10. 1. Go the following path: /users / enter your own username here / /appdata / roaming / Microsoft / Internet Explorer / quick launch / user pin / taskbar. Run Chrome if the icon is available there. 2. Try a different browser in your system. 3. Unpin the second Google Chrome. 4. Create a Google Chrome shortcut from Windows 10 Start menu. 5. Unpin Google Chrome and restart Explorer.exe. From Task Manager. 6. Run an SFC. Scan, command, sfc/scano, as admin. 7. Close all Chrome sessions using Task Manager. Unpin Chrome. Open %appdata %Microsoft /Internet Explorer /quick launch /user pin /implicit app shortcuts in the file manager. Hints: inside there should be a folder, and you should see some folder that has a shortcut to Chrome. Launch Chrome from that shortcut. Pin that Chrome later. 8. Open Chrome. After having two Chrome icon, unpin the icon that's not open. Right-click the other, choose Pin from taskbar. 9. If Chrome is on your taskbar, unpin it and then open Start menu and drag Chrome to your desktop, then open Chrome and it will place an icon on your taskbar, then pin that icon to your taskbar and then delete the icon on your desktop.